Migrating from Citrix XenServer to Open Source XenServer. Understanding the migration process. Migrating from Citrix XenServer to Open Source XenServer involves transferring your virtualized workloads, network configurations, and backup and recovery integration. It's essential to have a clear transition plan in place to ensure a smooth migration without disrupting your operations. Benefits of virtualization and cloud computing. By migrating from a legacy system like Citrix XenServer to an open-source solution, you can take advantage of cost-effective cloud computing services and seamless software integration. Considerations for data migration and virtual machine migration. When migrating workloads from Citrix XenServer to Open Source XenServer, it's crucial to consider data migration and virtual machine migration. Ensure that your migration checklist includes a detailed plan for transferring your data securely and efficiently. Switching to Open Source XenServer, a cost-effective solution. With the right migration strategy and deployment plan, you can seamlessly transition from Citrix XenServer to an open-source alternative without compromising on system integrity or data security. Leveraging technical support and backup integration. By working with experienced professionals and utilizing reliable backup solutions, you can minimize risks and address any challenges that may arise during the migration process. Conclusion. In conclusion, migrating from Citrix XenServer to Open Source XenServer offers a cost-effective and efficient solution for organizations looking to enhance their virtual environment.